Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator power control board. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new power control board. The power control board is located in the back of the refrigerator. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if the LED is giving you indication that it's failed and the unit's not cooling. In order to get to the part, we have to go to the back of the refrigerator. Now that we're on back, the power control board is underneath this cover. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold it on. Once you have the screws out, we're going to pull the top of the cover away from the refrigerator. We can lift the lower tabs out and set the cover aside. With the cover out of the way, we have access to the power control board. It's a smaller board on the top. We're going to take off the wiring harnesses. There's 3 of them. They all have a locking tab that you have to press, and then you can pull the wiring harness off. Once you have the wiring harnesses off, there's a release tab down here at the bottom. We're just going to press down on enough to release the board. We can pull the bottom of the board out. Once you have the bottom out, you can drop the top down and pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old power control board next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new power control board in, we're just going to carefully lift the top up into place. And then we can push the bottom in and lock it in. If you have to, you can press down on the locking tab a little bit to make it easier. Once you have it snapped in place, we can connect the wiring harnesses. We're just going to put the red one on first. Can't mix these up, so all you have to do is line them up and snap them on. And the blue one. And the white one. Now we can put the cover on. To put the cover on, we're just going to line up the lower tabs and put them in their slots. We can lift the cover up, use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have the screws in, you can plug the refrigerator back in and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.